Welcome to our roundup of the best car jump starters you can rely on when your battery decides to quit at the worst possible moment. Whether you're dealing with freezing mornings, long road trips, or a car that has been sitting too long, a dependable jump starter can save you time, stress, and the cost of roadside assistance. We have selected top-rated jump starters that combine power, safety, portability, and smart features. In this video, we will break down each model's peak amperage, battery capacity, safety protections, durability, and extra functions like USB charging and air compressors. Be sure to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the best car jump starter for your needs. The first on the list is the Wolfbox 4000A jump starter. The Wolfbox 4000A is built for drivers who want serious power and modern versatility in one compact unit. Featuring 4000A peak current, large capacity battery, and multi-function power bank, this jump starter is capable of reviving large gasoline and diesel engines with confidence. Whether you drive a sedan, SUV, pickup truck, or even a boat, it delivers strong and consistent cranking power. The high peak amperage ensures quick starts even when your battery is deeply drained, which makes it especially helpful during cold weather conditions. Beyond raw power, the Wolfbox 4000A doubles as a reliable portable power station. Its high-capacity internal battery supports multiple USB outputs, allowing you to charge smartphones, tablets, laptops, and other electronic devices while on the road. This makes it an excellent companion for camping trips, emergencies, or extended travel. The integrated LED flashlight includes multiple modes such as steady light, strobe, and SOS, adding another layer of safety for nighttime breakdowns or roadside emergencies. Safety is also a major focus. The smart jumper cables are designed with advanced protection systems to guard against reverse polarity, short circuits, overcurrent, and overcharging. Clear indicator lights help you connect the clamps correctly, reducing user error. Overall, the Wolfbox 4000A offers a powerful blend of high peak output, safety features, and practical extras, making it an excellent choice for drivers who want dependable emergency starting power with added versatility. Next up is the JS3000 12-volt 3000A battery booster jump starter. The JS3000 12-volt 3000A is designed to deliver reliable performance for everyday drivers who need solid starting capability without overspending. With 3000A peak amps, quick recharge capability, and advanced safety protections, this booster handles most 12-volt vehicles with ease. It is suitable for cars, SUVs, light trucks, motorcycles, and even some small boats, making it a versatile addition to your emergency kit. The 3000 amp peak output ensures enough cranking strength to revive engines that refuse to start due to low battery voltage. It performs particularly well for standard gasoline engines and moderate diesel engines, offering consistent and stable starts. The internal battery is engineered to hold its charge over time, so you can store it in your vehicle and trust it will be ready when needed. In addition to jump-starting capabilities, the JS3000 functions as a portable power bank. Equipped with USB output ports, it allows you to recharge mobile devices, GPS units, and other small electronics during travel. The built-in LED flashlight offers multiple lighting modes, which can be extremely helpful during nighttime breakdowns or roadside repairs. Overall, the JS3000 12-volt 3000A battery booster jump starter is a practical and dependable solution for everyday vehicle owners. Next, we have the Gulu GP4000 jump starter. The Gulu GP4000 stands out as a high-performance booster built for drivers who need extra cranking strength and dependable reliability. It features 4000A peak power, high-capacity lithium battery, and comprehensive safety system, making it suitable for larger engines and demanding situations. Whether you drive a truck, SUV, or diesel vehicle, this jump starter is engineered to deliver consistent and powerful starts. With its 4000 amp peak output, the GP4000 can handle high-displacement engines with confidence. It performs exceptionally well in cold climates where batteries tend to struggle. The robust lithium battery ensures strong energy delivery and maintains its charge for extended periods when not in use. This reliability is crucial during emergencies, especially if your vehicle has been parked for weeks. The GP4000 is not just about engine starting. It also functions as a multi-purpose power bank, equipped with fast-charging USB ports for modern devices. Overall, the Gulu GP4000 Jumpstarter combines impressive power, strong safety features, and versatile charging options, making it an excellent mid to high-range choice for a wide variety of vehicles. Next up is the Noco Boost GB70 2000A Ultra Safe Jumpstarter. The Noco Boost GB70 is a well-known option that focuses on intelligent engineering and maximum safety. It comes equipped with 2000A peak current, ultra-safe spark-proof technology, and heavy-duty construction, making it a trusted companion for both everyday drivers and professionals. Although its peak amperage is lower than some models on this list, the 2000 amp output is more than sufficient for most passenger vehicles, trucks, and SUVs. It delivers stable power and quick starts even in colder conditions. The advanced lithium technology ensures strong battery retention and consistent energy output over time. One of the biggest highlights of the GB70 is its ultra-safe technology. The spark-proof design and reverse polarity protection make connections safer and easier even for beginners. This significantly reduces the risk of improper clamp placement or accidental sparks. The heavy-duty clamps are reinforced and built for durability, ensuring secure connections every time. The GB70 also doubles as a portable power bank with USB charging capabilities. It can recharge smartphones, tablets, and other electronics when needed. Overall, the Noco Boost GB70 offers a dependable balance of performance and protection, making it a solid choice for drivers who prioritize safety and trusted engineering. The last one on our list is the Clore Automotive Jump and Carry JNC660 Jumpstarter. The Clore Automotive Jump and Carry JNC660 takes a different approach compared to compact lithium boosters. Featuring 1700 peak amps, high-performance Clore Proformer battery, and heavy-duty industrial design, this unit is built for professional-grade reliability. It is widely trusted by mechanics, tow operators, and automotive technicians. Unlike smaller lithium units, the JNC660 uses a powerful internal lead-acid battery designed to deliver high cranking power consistently. Overall, the Clore Automotive Jump and Carry JNC660 delivers industrial-strength performance, durable construction, and dependable starting power, making it a top choice for serious drivers and professionals alike. So, that wraps up our list of the best car jumpstarters you can count on in emergencies. Whether you prioritize maximum peak power, lightweight portability, advanced safety technology, or professional-grade durability, there's an option here that fits your needs. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay powered and ready for the road.